first management joining us on the show today is Sonata Software. The company signed a go-to-market partnership with Zones. The partnership with Zones will focus on enterprise application delivery through end-to-end cloud-managed services. To discuss this partnership as well as more on the company, Jagannathan Chakravarthi, who is the CFO of Sonata Software, joins in. Mr. Chakravarthi, thanks a lot for joining in. Appreciate your time here on CNBC-TV18. Can you start by telling us what is the opportunity that this partnership with Zones throws up for you? If you can explain to us both, the financial opportunity that you look at and also the scope of work that you will be doing.
Good morning, all. Thanks for this opportunity. We have now entered into a partnership, go-to-market partnership with Zones. Zones is actually a market leader in giving cost optimization as well as the data efficiency for various companies, and they have presence in industry, every solution for an industry-specific industry, and their presence is across the globe. Zones tie-up is going to help us to take up the larger deal to bring in the cost efficiency as well as the data optimization for our customers. We have announced about 11 large deals in the last 1.5 years period of time, and we have been pursuing about 14 large deals now.
Mr. Chakravarthi, good morning. You were telling us about the opportunity that this partnership brings to you, both in terms of a monetary opportunity as well as the scope of work. Please go ahead, because we couldn't understand what you were saying earlier. So please go ahead.
Yeah. Thanks for the time. Good morning to all. We have now tied up a go-to-market tie-up with Zone. Zones is a market leader industry. They have industry-specific solutions, particularly to bring the cost efficiency and data optimization for various customers in various industries. They have service platforms for those things. In a large deal for us, this involves a wide spectrum of activity for us, including the data optimization solutions and cost savings for the customer. We have been pursuing about 40 large deals with the Zone tie-up. Is going to help us to sweeten the offerings to the customers, and it will be easy for us. The win ratio will go up for us in the coming days because Zones have presence across the globe, and this is going to help us to win the large deals in various geos also. Particularly with the tie-up, we can also go to their customers and then take up the larger deals from our side. It will be a very good cross-selling opportunity for us in the coming year.
Okay. Can you identify any kind of financial, benefit? I mean, just trying to understand what would this mean for you in terms of a revenue opportunity, etc. I know it may be too early. Also, can you tell us what is the demand environment looking like? Is Q4, has it been better than Q3? Any trends there?
Yeah. The Zones opportunity financial, it's a little early now. Only that, as I mentioned to you, we are pursuing the large deal is going to help us to increase the win ratio. Or a company like us getting the large deals and winning more large deals is going to definitely have a financial benefit to us. We have made the models or plans internally, but it may take some time to see the benefits in the external world or external result. Now coming to this, on both the market outlook, market is still soft. There are industries, particularly this quarter, seems to be some seasonal impacts are there. We have Quant. We have mentioned at the beginning of the quarter that it's going to be soft for Quant, which is our major acquisition and major driver for the growth. However, there are some verticals like high tech. We are seeing some green shoots. It is better than Q3. We see much better Q1 for the high tech industry, whereas the BFSI and healthcare is still soft, and it may take some more time for seeing the benefit of it. There are quarter-specific, particularly in Q2 and Q3, we had some green shoot impacts of the large deals what we have announced earlier, which is going to miss now. And there is a delay in closure of the deals. From pipeline is good. Our order book is also okay because of the large deals, which is benefit of that will come in the future. But conversion of the pipeline to the order book is actually taking more time now. At least 10-12 weeks of delay we are seeing it. Quarter specific, it may be Q4 will be a little soft for us now. But we hope that future benefits are come.
10 to 12 week delay in terms of conversion of the pipeline into actual work, right? Into actual orders.
Yes.
That's the feedback. We'll ask you to quantify some numbers and maybe look ahead for the FY25 as a whole. But I just want to pull back a little bit and ask you about the work that you're doing with Microsoft, Mr. Chakravarthi. Good morning, Prashant here. An investor I was talking to was talking about that great excitement as far as Sonata is concerned. I mean, Microsoft, of course, there's so much happening. And Microsoft is a company which is pretty much at the center of a lot of the stuff, be it AI or all of the other new things which are going on. A long-time partner for you. Could you give us an idea about the scope of work that you're doing there? What is it? And just some numbers as well. What is it as a share of the
So as we mentioned earlier, both sell to Microsoft and sell with Microsoft has been almost like 50-55% of our revenue. It's been there for quite some time. I have tied up with Microsoft companies to announce for our AI platform, Harmony.ai. We have actually with the Azure AI also. This is actually going to help us to bring the industry-specific application. We have come out with the service level platform for the specific industry, and using the Azure AI is going to help. So this is it's going to be a big benefit for us. We are also part of the AI side of it. We are developing the various go-to-market application solutions for that, so that we can take it to the specific industries and gain the momentum. In every proposal, what we make now, and we have actually developed a few of the solutions for some of the functions like financial operations and all these things. We have already developed AI solution, which we have applied to a Europe-based telecom company. We have also developed the chatbot for HR and for marketing, going to help even functions to adopt the AI much in a faster way. Our AI want to do it. We have tied up in a way that it is Microsoft is, but also AWS and other AI solutions, whatever LLMs are available in the market, the customer can choose that. So anything coming of all the solutions to the customer, but to get the momentum of revenue, we expect another 5-6 quarters. Our tie-up with Microsoft is very close. We are part and parcel of their AI group, core AI group, which is actually working on go-to-market.
All right. Hi, good morning, Mr. Chakravarthi. What is your current AI pipeline? I think it was around $50 million, if I remember correctly, in the last quarter. So if you could give us an updated number. And also you have articulated that 20% from AI in 3 years. Now, not many corporates have been able to put a number to this AI opportunity. How do you arrive at this number?
Yeah, we have, of course, internally, we will not go to market and announce it very confidently. But it will take, the momentum is going to take a little time. To be very frank with you, this is actually seeing a lot of momentum now coming in, but making it to a larger AI deal and larger solution will take a little bit more time. But we expect in 3 years' time, we should be able to reach there is our part. And the 50 million, what we mentioned was about Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is a data platform of Microsoft, and we were one of the launch partners for them, which actually imbibes the AI solution also, and then Azure, the Connect Azure AI also application is there. For the particularly data optimization space, the AI application in data optimization along with Fabric, that has actually built almost like a $50 million of pipeline. The solution, the opportunities are plenty. Every customer wants to know about our AI offering, and every customer is looking up for definite application of the AI in their business. We are seeing quite a strong momentum in the market. To gain a larger deal and then revenue momentum, it may take a little bit more time.
No, got it. You mentioned that 55% number. When you said you buy from and sell to as well from Microsoft, that 50, it's the revenue contribution from Microsoft?
Yeah, Microsoft as a customer as well as Microsoft as a partner, because we have both with them. So that total is about 50 to 55% of that comes from there.
Okay, got that. And as you said, you're a part of the core AI group for Microsoft and developing go-to-market solutions in that space.
Yes.
Are there many players in India a part of that group, or are you one of the few?
We are very very closely working, and we have been pioneers in this space with Microsoft. Our
Yeah.
partnership differentiate
Yeah.
us from other players. Definitely, there is a differentiation.
Okay, Mr. Chakravarthi, we'll leave it there. So thank you very much for your time. Appreciate you joining in and running us through that conversation and that perspective. So some delay in terms of pipeline conversion to orders, but remain very bullish and essentially calling that Microsoft partnership critical and crucial, especially at a time like this where you're looking at AI as the next big thing.